Good day. Today I'll be presenting the story of Chesapeake Energy and how their rise in the natural gas industry eventually led to a financial collapse because of poor debt management. Chesapeake Energy was once one of the largest natural gas companies in the US. It grew fast by using fracking and by borrowing a lot of money to expand. At first, this made the company very successful. But things began to fall apart when the death became too much to handle, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic and 2020. Chesapeake's strategy was simple: borrow big, grow fast. They used billions in loans to buy land and drill more wells. This aggressive expansion worked well at first and impressed many investors. The company looked strong, but behind that success was a huge pile of debt. The problem was that Chesapeake kept spending more than it was earning. When natural gas prices dropped, especially in 2018, 2014, and 2020, the company's income couldn't cover its debt. And when COVID-19 hit, the demand for energy dropped even more. This pushed Chesapeake into a serious financial crisis. In June 2020, Chesapeake filed for bankruptcy with about $9 billion in debt. This led to job cuts, asset sales, and a loss of trust from investors. Communities that depended on that company were also affected. It was a massive downfall for a company that once seemed unstoppable. After bankruptcy, Chesapeake restructured its business, it cleared most of its debt and changed its strategy. Instead of growing quickly, they focused on sustainable operations and spent more carefully. The goal was to become stable and avoid making the same mistakes again. And lastly, the main lesson here is that debt is not always bad. It can help a company grow, but it must be managed carefully. Companies need to prepare for changes in the market, and they should not depend too much on borrowed money, especially in industries like energy where prices go up and down a lot. That's all. Thank you.